Here is our new video in our playlist. Keep watching and keep enjoying.
Back again with another amazing video. Our today's video is about indoor pot plant stand ideas for you people. In this video we are going to cover some pot plant stand ideas for you. Your plant wants sun, they want what to the occasional water spills. Below we rounded up some plant stand we like along with a few bookshelf and tables, step stools, art, supply carts, wooden carts and more thing you can also definitely put plant on. Make your plant the centerpiece of your home with this dramatic plant archway between the different size shelf and the hook of hanging. You will find a spot for every plant in your collection with this stand. With the bottom shelf that only 12.6 inches square and progressively narrow middle and top shelf, this plant stand has a small footprint but can still hold a few medium-sized plants. Those with an ever-growing potted plant collection all are always thinking about creative houseplant display solution. Even though the internet is full of plant stand ideas, in our video that you are might want to build one to suit your own interior. We are here want to be elevated when in the home, so they don't get kicked over accidentally. For that, indoor plant stand are fantastic. They keep your plant at a level where watering is a breeze. They catch plenty of light and no one will ever knock them over by being clumsy. Take a look at this collection and see what we mean. Traditional plant stands seem to come into two styles. Those mid-century modern ones, they stay low to the ground and fit just one big pot, and the more bookshelf style bamboo units with a few shelves that can hold a bunch of smaller plants. Both styles can be good looking and super functional, but plant stand in case you are out of space on the mantelpiece. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and do subscribe my YouTube channel with some inspiring plant stand ideas made for existing furniture piece, so that you are trailing photos, stately palms and even diminutive air plant can fill up every nook and cranny of your home beyond wall mounting houseplant or vertical spaces. In our video, expert give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can also convert a coffee table, slide table and other unique flat surface into a stunning statement pieces that are a bit limiting. Thankfully, a plant stand can really be any object you can place a plant on, and one sweep of the internet will reveal that you can put plant on lots of things. If you have a medium sized plant off the edge of your windowsills, why not put in top of stool instead, or a bar cart or a floating shelf? If you are a bit of plant hoarder with every square inch of floor and table surface covered, you can use a rolling utility cart, show benches or bookcases to better organize your collection. No matter what kind of stand you choose, though, you will want something that has an open design to let in